people who have rooms of people that they love one day locked away. Just because we check the guns at the door doesn't mean our brains will change.